chat for people.
All the way in, y'all. Y'all the red. To the ball of space, y'all. To the ball of space. While y'all are freezing to death in here, it's only.
Hi, Goofy! Howdy! Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sounds like a lot of paperwork for sure, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Oh, sure thing, Goofy, but how do I tell that to my boss?
This song doesn't work. Now we wait in line. The train comes.
Inside your car at all times. True man seat. Be sure to keep them watching right. Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Minnie.
You're getting a good share of our pay.
The park's better with me. What could possibly go wrong? Working on the train.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We had one crazy night. And with you by my side, the stars will be on night. Nothing can stop us
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
Do you like spray guard?